Leading crypto. Today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin here. This is the 4-hour time frame, and today is CPI day. Pretty much had a pretty strong rejection, literally right at 8:30 this morning as the CPI data news was coming out. Just wanted to show that coincidentally enough, we were running right into some decent resistance up here at the golden pocket, right from our overall low of 18,500, which took us up to about 22,800 and change. And we got the rejection from there. So taking a look at this, right, what would be the next areas we want to be paying attention for? One of which Magic Internet Money had gone over pretty well in detail, not only on yesterday's Coffee and Crypto episode, but in the members only update on Sunday evening. We were looking at this week's untapped weekly key levels, right? So for Bitcoin, that is about 20,700, give or take, in this region. Pretty much we're very close to that as we speak. And then we got the monthly open just below that, right? So the reason I'm looking at this monthly open, especially now, would be because if we were to have another local golden pocket, right, from our low to high now, that aligns well with the monthly open as well. Also coincides around the range low. So just an area to be, kind of aware of. But this 20,700, I would imagine, is going to at least offer up a good bounce opportunity when we come down to that. So another $300-ish from where we are right now. Up until we were, getting this rejection right here, if you were paying attention towards, even just RSI, right, we were pretty much overextended for like 2 days straight, pretty much this entire move up. So interesting enough that we ran into that golden pocket, got some bad news, right, and then here we come, right. So yeah, that's pretty much, where I'd be looking for Bitcoin. I'm still in the camp that, we are going to be trucking our way onward and upward here over the next couple of months towards that $30,000 target. We do obviously have some speed bumps in our way. You got like I said, you're coming down probably to this weekly untapped key level at 20,700. Once again, for anybody that can't see the screen, we got the monthly open basically right at $20,000, pretty much, in that region, 20,019. Then we got the overall range low coming in about 19,500. So those would be the three areas I'd be paying attention for. First one of which is basically coming up on deck. Zooming into a 1-hour time frame, right, and just kind of looking at that RSI once again. Looking at coming into some oversold territory. So once again, just kind of looking at the opportunity for an oversold bounce, even at that untapped weekly, right at 20,700. That's definitely where I got my eyes on at the moment. And then, like I said, monthly open does come in at the local golden pocket right now from our low of 18,500. Taking the high of 22,800. That does align well with that monthly open. So key levels to take from there in the short term, right? So in the longer term here, even coming back down to this monthly open, that would basically, offer up a higher low, right? Or even down to the range low, 19,500. You're still going to have a higher low in place, right? If that's where we can see a turnaround at. Let me get a little tool right here. I'd see something like this if we were to come all the way back down to here. Once again, this area is not something to be disregarding, right? Not just saying we have to go all the way back down to the lows here. Very possible to come back down, just tag this untapped weekly and continue onward from here. Reason I say that is because we have now reset RSI, things of that nature, right? Everything's kind of cooling off with this pretty decent pullback. So not to be overlooking that, but just as far as, if we start losing this level, what to look for next. Obviously, you got your monthly open, yada, yada. And then a worst case in the short term, if we came all the way back down to the range low, 19,500, you'd still be putting in, obviously, a higher low, right? So just want to point that out there. All right. Essentially, that's really, I feel like that's a really nice, brief, quick overview here as far as any levels to the downside. As far as the upside would go, if we get a reversal, turnaround, whatever, around these regions, right, looking up towards this weekly level, about 24,000. Got the overall range high coming in about 23,300. And then I'm really eyeballing this macro golden pocket up here. You got the untapped quarterly. Obviously, these are targets based over time. And then from there, right, my melt up target personally, 30,966. overall golden pocket, 0.886, got a point of control up there as well. So obviously we're way far away from that. So it's kind of getting ahead of ourselves. But in the short term here, this is what I'd be looking for, right? Hope that makes sense. Hope you're all having a great day. It is not Monday. It feels like a Monday. It is Tuesday. So I'll be posting a couple of altcoin videos right after this on the Leading Crypto YouTube channel as well. So just kind of coming in and clipping these up. If you're on TikTok watching me live, I'm just kind of, double tagging, killing two birds with one stone. So hope you all have a great morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are on this beautiful world. Till next time.